Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to delete all messages in Messenger. Let's get started. First, open your Messenger app. Once your Messenger app is open, click on any chat you want. First I will show you how to delete someone else's messages. Click and hold the message and then click on More. After this, click on Remove. Then click on Remove, then click on Remove again. Now I will show you how to delete your own message. Click and hold your message you want to delete. After this, click on Unsend for everyone. As you can see that your message is removed from everyone. Now I will show you how to delete your whole conversation. Go back. Now, right swipe on the chat. Then click on More. After this, click on Delete. Then click on Delete again now. As you can see that entire conversation is deleted. And that's how you delete all messages in WhatsApp. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.